All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here. Hey, wasn't here yesterday afternoon to show you the final product, but we're here this morning. Got everything sanded. We're gonna go in, start vacuuming up a little bit, clean everything, and start applying the stain. I want you to see how beautiful this turned out. You have to look at the original videos, but here you can see that quarter sign. It's that flaky tiger stripe look. Look at that. You couldn't see any of that before. Just beautiful, beautiful. Let's slice these together. Now, if it was up to me, this would only be the clear. I would do that logo invisible and it would look just like it looks right now. But I don't live here. So it's going to be stained, kind of an orangey brown. Yeah, you see that? Look at that, man. That's beautiful. That tiger stripe, quarter sign. Woo! But either way, it's going to be nice. I've done pink, green, blue. I've done all the colors. At the end of the day, when the company knows what they're doing, it turns out great. So stay tuned for the next.